The world nearly ended in 2044. Less than 30 years later, the survivors on Earth launched 7 great colony ships to seed humanity to other planets. Those ships were not heard from again. A century later, the only place people are known to survive on Earth is Dome 17. Beth and Alan live there. They are adventurers who have explored other domes, but everywhere else is dead. Is Dome 17 just the last one to fail? The committee has a risky plan to try 2 unproven technologies, a faster-than-light propulsion and teleportation. Both technologies have severe limits, but time is running out for Dome 17. While other 2-person teams set out for the other lost colony ships, Beth and Alan agree to make a dangerous journey for the colony ship Warren. Will it be found? Will it be a wrecked derelict? Or will it be a last chance for humanity? Join Beth and Alan on their journey for the Warren. But be prepared. This is no fairy tale. This is Book 1 of the Colony Ship Warren series and is set in the Colony Ship universe.